Congratulations kaibigan! Dahil isa ka na ngayong ganap na negosyante. At dahil isa ka ng negosyante, therefore, dapat alamin mo kung ano ang business mo. Number 1. Know the industry. Ano nga ba ang network marketing? Network marketing is a system of moving products from the factory to consumers through organization of users, retailers, and network builders. Therefore, para malaman mo kung legit ang isang network marketing company, kailangan may natawag na moving products. Watch videos about the company, research about the company, awards, partners, owners, visit our website, get updated on our company, like and get notification on our AIM Global official Facebook page. Number 2, know and study the products. Paano? Kailangan user ka ng products. Napakahirap ikwento ng isang produkto kung di mo pa ito nagamit. After mo gamitin at ang family mo, you can now share the goodness of our product. Especially doon sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong ito. Number 3, learn and study the business. Learn how to present. Napakahalaga na alam mo kung paano i-present ang negosyo mo. Paano mo ito matutunan? Watch OPP videos over and over hanggang sa ma-internalize mo ang mga ito. Kung online naman, balikan mo lang kung paano nag-present ang business, si-apply mo. Number 4, attend trainings. Watch trainings and read books. Ito ang list ng mga trainings na kailangan ninyo. Good news guys, dahil mahal tayo ng company, tayo lang ang kaisa-isang network marketing company na may online training facility. Log on at www.aimacademy.com. At dahil member ka, you can sign up as premium user para meron kang access sa mga exclusive videos na para lang sa ating mga members. Fifth and last, be active. Paano? Una, attend events, anniversaries, meetings, team building, awards night, etc. Para ma-engage at ma-expose ka sa business mo at ma-adapt mo ang culture nito. Pangalawa, initiative. Kailangan meron kang pusa at willingness na gawin at pag-aralan ang business mo. Pangatlo, communication. Napakahalaga na ipag-communicate ka hindi lang sa downline mo, kundi pati na rin kay upline. Kaya upline, reply ka sa message downline. At downline, ganun ka rin sana kay upline. Nang sa ganun, nakapag-build tayo na tawag na harmonious relationship. Ika-apat, invite. Napakahalaga na meron kang invite sa araw-araw. Una, dahil ito magpapalaki ng network organization mo. Dahil kapag walang invite, walang downline. At kapag walang downline, walang kita. Kaya kailangan massive action. Last is cooperation. Cooperate with joy and willingness to help. Again, we are family. Kaya tagumpay ng isa, tagumpay nating lahat. Kapag may nagpa-like, nagpa-comment, or nagpa-welcome, please cooperate. I-add nyo po ang mga leaders ng team natin at sa ganun, nagkakatulong-tulong ang bawat isa. Let us all be united as one.